Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how we can change storage location of camera on Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your camera app on your Android phone. Then if you want to change the storage location, you can click on this settings option or settings button right here. Just tap on it, and then you can scroll down your screen until you find storage location, and it's right here guys. Just click on it and you can choose either internal storage or SD card, and I'm just going to choose SD card. Alright, and now the settings or the storage location has been updated, and that's how we can change storage location of our camera in Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.